Now, I'd gotten a review about this college from a pass out that they are so strict about attendance that at one time they even used to charge students 100 rupees per every lecture they missed. Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki and today we'll be talking about the top engineering colleges in Maharashtra that you can get admission through MHCET. Now first I'll just be giving them a ranking and based on that ranking you can get a general idea about which college you should aim for. After that I will be giving an in-depth review of these colleges as well. So the ranking goes as follows. First up we have COEP, that is the College of Engineering Pune. After that, we have two of the colleges from Mumbai itself, that is ICT and VJTI. Now, after these top three colleges, we have a bunch of colleges from Mumbai, Pune, and the rest of Maharashtra as well. I've already made an in-depth video about the top engineering colleges in Mumbai and have covered them there. So in this video, I will only be covering these particular colleges. So watch this video till the end if you want to take admission in any of these colleges. First up, we obviously have the COEP, that is the College of Engineering Pune. Its NIRF ranking has been 50 and you can take admission in it through MHTCET or even through JEE Mains. Its highest package has even reached up to 33.8 lakhs per annum, with its average package ranging from 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. Its fee structure is quite amazing, that is only 3 to 4 lakhs for the entire 4 years program. Now let's go over the review part about COEP. It is an autonomous college and it is especially known for its ECE, that is the Electronics and Communication branch, as well as its Computer Science branch. Top companies like Microsoft and Morgan Stanley are among its recruiters. Now a personal opinion, if you are taking admission in COEP, do not go for the core branches. Take admission only for Computer Science, IT or ECE. Next up, we have VIT Pune. Its NIRF ranking has been 165 and you can take admission in it through JEE Mains as well as MHTCET. Its highest package has even reached up to 37.4 lakhs per annum, with its average package going up to 6 lakhs per annum. Its fee structure is a bit complex, so you can pause this video and look over its fee structure as such. Now let's go over the review part of VIT Pune. Top companies like Microsoft are among its recruiters. VIT Pune also has a very strong alumni base. Also, its faculty is quite amazing. The only disadvantage about VIT Pune is that it's again not suitable for the core branches. Next up on the list we have PICT, that is the Pune Institute of Computer Technology. Its highest package has even reached up to 38 lakhs per annum, with its average package ranging from 6 to 7 lakhs and its lowest package going to 3 lakhs per annum. Its fee structure is 2.35 lakhs per year, out of which 1.35 lakhs is for its hostel fees. Now actually PICT is quite an amazing college, but it is so low on this list only because of its strict policies. The placement scenario at PICT is quite amazing. Now, I'd gotten a review about this college from a pass out that they are so strict about attendance that at one time they even used to charge students 100 rupees per every lecture they missed. Now, this is something that I've never heard any college do, so that's why even after having such good placements, I've kept it so low on this list. Next up on the list, we have the WCE, that is the Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli. Its NIRF ranking is 168 and you can take admission in it through MHTCET. Its highest package has even reached up to 37 lakhs per annum, with its average package going up to 5.13 lakhs per annum. Its fee structure is quite low with around 1 lakh per year. Now let's go over the review part about WCE. This college was established way back in 1947, so you can be rest assured about its very good alumni base. Also, it is specially known for its CS and IT branches. Apart from this, top companies like Infosys and Amazon are among its recruiters. Even after having such a low fee structure, it offers huge fee waivers for SC, ST and OBC students. Next up on the list, we have MIT Pune. Now, MIT Pune's NIRF ranking has been 138 and you can take admission in it through MHTCET or even through JEE Mains. Its highest package has been 19.06 lakhs per annum, with its average package going up to 4.56 lakhs per annum. Its fee structure is on the high end with up to 3 to 4 lakhs per year. Now let's go over the review part about MIT Pune. Top companies like Ford, Microsoft, and even TCS visit its campus. But as you can already see, its fee structure is on the high end and it's very expensive. And if you compare the packages with the fee structure, its return of investment is also quite low. However, it is especially known for its core branches. So if you want to take admission in core branches, then yeah, MIT Pune is a must for you. However, MIT Pune's infrastructure is quite amazing and its crowd consists of educated high class students. If you really want to enjoy your 4 years of your engineering, then MIT Pune should be on top of your list. So that's it for the video, and do write a review about the top engineering colleges in Maharashtra. It would help other students as well. Apart from this, do share this video with all the people from the student community, as well as like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow a lot.